Proximus, in partnership with ID2Move and Phoenix Tech, revolutionizes warehouse management with the unveiling of an ambitious project in Nivelles. Deltrian International, which specializes in air filtration, faces the common challenges known in the business, such as tracking stock and locating products efficiently when items are stored on pallets of different sizes, in different shaped boxes, or when QR codes are sometimes damaged or unreadable. Traditional methods often lead to time wasted, but together with our partners, Proximus introduces an innovative, first-of-its-kind solution: autonomous drones that can navigate indoor storage facilities. These drones, driven by powerful AI algorithms, identify products, locate boxes, and transmit real-time data to the stock manager via 5G connectivity. After successful testing at ID2Move's Nivelles facility, the intention is to deploy this solution in Deltrian International's 15,000 square meters Fleuris warehouses. Our vision is to expand this groundbreaking technology across Belgium. Proximus leverages its extensive portfolio and expertise to support every stage of this project. Discovery and ideation sessions between experts allowed perfect scoping and phasing. Azure specialists made sure the Microsoft Cloud Azure Blob Storage could share data with Deltrian's IT environment through APIs. The artificial intelligence algorithms have been developed and customized to identify Deltrian's stock items and determine the location of boxes in the warehouse. And finally, the drones have been adapted for in-house flights and equipped with cameras capable of transferring images and data through a 5G mobile private network. All of this making for a nice demonstration of Proximus's capabilities to contribute to AI projects end-to-end.
Proximus next. Think possible.